Hi, dear listeners. In this video, we are going to analyze two projects, Project A and B, and we have been given the data for cash flows for Project A and B, and the discount rate at which the net present value will be calculated is 10%. Okay, let's evaluate Project A first. We have to use the formula is equal to net present value, and then we have to give the discount rate, which is 10%. Comma, and we have to give the all future cash inflows, then bracket close, plus initial investments. So here the net present value is positive. It is acceptable, but we have to compare two projects. Now we have to use the same formula for project B, which will be equal to net present value, bracket start. We have to give the discount rate at which net present value will be calculated, comma, and then future cash flows, the bracket close, plus initial investment. We can see two projects have positive net present values, but project B is better than project A because its net present value is greater than project A. Okay,